The Kind5 program is our new high school workshop that really allows students a chance to experience all 4 of the kindness campaign pillars. It starts with the self-image through our magic mirror. There's also lessons on mindfulness, kindness through music, and kindness online with our social media time capsule. That gives the students a chance to think about the 3 things that matter most in life to them and to make sure their online presence is a reflection of what's important to them. You matter. Just by being alive, you have worth.
You know, the kindness campaign and the work that they're doing isn't just about the bullying. I think the bullying between 2 people, I think we tend to bully ourselves. And the kids especially, this event today, part of it is really here to teach kids how to be kind, not only to others, but to teach them how to be kind to themselves.
This message and what I'm going to talk about today is kindness. And it starts with how you see yourself. And what matters most, and where do we see ourselves most? The mirror. What happens at our magic mirror is we ask kids one question: how do you feel when you look in the mirror? And what most kids say is they're scared, they're alone. They're contemplating all these very big life-changing things for them because they feel that they are alone in it. And what our main job is to let them know that they're not, to help them feel that when they wake up every day that they are enough, and that to change that voice, that whenever they look in the mirror, that they can have self-confidence, that they can feel good about who they are, no matter what's going on.
It's hard. It's a hard job to be a parent these days, and I am blessed to have some great kids, but they are not immune from all of the other things that everybody goes through. So.
Become an agent of positive change. From not good enough to absolutely enough, amazing, capable, a human being who is worthy.
First of all, never put yourself down. And number 2, don't put others down. Number 3, put other people up.
The most important things for our kids right now is to give them safe spaces where they can be themselves in kind of a non-judgment zone, and they can feel safe and feel it's okay to be who they are, their authentic selves, not just trying to be someone that they think everyone else wants them to be.
Every day we're innovating. Every day we are creating new tools for children. I mean, we have to. The impact we need to have for what the bullying is like today and what the technology that we're combating for bullying, it has to be something greater than what is out there right now.